Does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? Nope. It's a common myth. That popping sound is just gas bubbles forming and popping in the fluid around your joints. A classic study was done by Donald Unger, who cracked only the knuckles on his left hand for over 60 years and found no difference in arthritis between his hands. Now, constantly forcing your joints into unnatural positions isn't good for them either. But every day, knuckle cracking, totally fine. It might annoy some people, but it's not hurting your joints. Crack away if you want. Thank you.